So what's the problem? I have two Chromeboxes. This one is 6 years old, and I have decided to purchase the Asus 16 months old because this one is fully compatible with the Play Store, you know, the applications from Google Play Store. So this one is fully compatible with the apps, and this one is 6 years old, I think, and in the good old days the apps were not compatible. Okay, and in the meantime this one is not working. Just but it's okay, it's not on, it's not on. So what's the issue? I don't need CD-ROMs because I use USBs, and according to my lifestyle and my job, I don't need CDs. But once again there was a problem, so I gave up from Windows. I have CDs with photos and files, and once again it's very easy to transfer from any Microsoft, from OS, whatever, from USBs, transferring the files. Obviously the problem was the movies. I purchased movies, CD movies, and it can be a problem. It can be a problem, the CD-ROMs with the Chromeboxes. So not all the CD-ROMs are not fully compatible. The CD players, they are not fully compatible with the Chromeboxes. The other option is with there's an app to transfer and so on, and as you can see on YouTube, it's possible to use the CD players being compatible with the Chromeboxes. Okay, but in the meantime, once again, I don't need CDs except the movies, which I purchased a long time ago. So how can I fix the issue with the CDs, with the movies? Well, I have this. Yeah. It's a Samsung Blu-ray player. 5 years ago. 5 years old. You can see it in here. Obviously, this DVD player, it's not compatible. Oh, I tried. So, and the only issue was, it's nothing because of the files. The issue was because of my movies, the ones I've purchased. Okay, so 2 Chromeboxes, 2 screens, still I don't want to need CD players because I already have one, and I don't want to buy. Okay, so how can we fix this? In here, this unit, it's a Yamaha Soundbar. Yeah. And that's the one connected it's Bluetooth, connected via Bluetooth with with the Chromebox, correct? As you can see, that's remote control. Okay, so once again I still am gonna So once again, what about my CDs, my movies? How can I use it? This CD player is 100% guaranteed it's not compatible. It's impossible. It's not compatible with the Chromeboxes, which we were expecting. Okay, so okay, it's on. On. Okay. Whoops. That's it. I don't know why. Okay. Do I need? It's a must to buy another brand new CD player just because of movies? Okay. No, there is another alternative. Pay attention. Okay. HDMI cable. Okay. HDMI cable. I'm sorry. And there we go. Obviously, we can read photos, music, and the settings, but we can't read, as an example, PDF files. Okay. Will it work? Okay, so there we go. So once again, clumsiness, completely unprofessional, no edits, just a domestic movie. And my intention was for you to know that there's always alternatives. So once again, this one Chromebox is using, but it doesn't matter which one. So this Chromebox, but at the same time the other one is working. The wonder of technology. So Asus is working, is on, operating. Okay, nothing to do with the other question. And if I want, this is just an example, I'm just showing other alternatives. So this one is with this Samsung, as you can see, a very old Samsung CD player. It's Blu-ray, and I mean, it's up to you. So this is a soundbar. This one is from Yamaha. So if you have a Chromebox, or I think, or a Chromebook, and if you really don't want to buy DVD, new, if you want to buy brand new DVD players, maybe you don't need them. You can use the old one, like this one, as long as you have a Yamaha Soundbar. Okay? Take your idea, and once again, I hope that the clumsiness can help, or just opening up our options.